Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Shopify collection image size. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and log in your account and then click here, products. After that click collections and then home page. You see here collection image, add image. If you already have image in your desktop, then just click here, add image, and just click add. But in case you don't have the image, then you need to create the image. There are many websites that you can create the image. You can go, for example, to Canva, and the size of the image must be 800 by 800. Okay, let's go now to Canva and just click here, create a design, and here is the size 800 by 800. Then click create a new design, and here just you can choose the template, or just you can type in the search bar. For example, if you write electronic, for example, okay, if I choose this one and then just click download and download, and now let's go to Shopify, then click here, add image, here is the image, and then just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to change Shopify collection images size. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.